If this video helps you out, please hit the like and subscribe button. Right, Vinny?
All right, 2016 Ford Escape. It's my wife's, and 2 days ago the dash lit up with a code that said that the brake light was out, and I figured out it was the passenger brake light. So I'm going to see if that code flashes again. This has got 93,000 miles on it. There it is right there. Brake, lamp, bulb fault. So I gotta go to the parts store and pick up a bulb. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back from the parts store. Pack of 2 bulbs. $7. In the video's description you'll see a link to get them on Amazon, or you can run to your local parts store and pick them up if you're in a super hurry. The number is 357LLB2, and you're going to need one tool, which is an 8mm socket, probably with an extension, and or you can use like a nut driver if you got those. So let's get at it here in a second. Okay, I'm back. First thing I need to do is take these 2 covers off that are over top of the bolts I need to take out. I already took one off. I'm going to use to save time, I'm going to use a little screwdriver just to pop them off. Sounds. There we go. That's what those guys look like. Now using an 8mm, I'm going to back these 2 bolts out. You're going to need a deep well or an extension or a nut driver to take these out. Just 2 of them. And now the fun begins, which is taking this bad boy off. There's a clip back here that's holding it on, and hopefully it's going to come off easier because I've done this before. And the whole problem is just leverage on it. And that's that. Nothing broke. That's a good thing. Electrical connection here. I'll show you everything. That's the clip right there, and then that's the connection. So I probably can do this without taking the connection off, which is what I'm going to do. So, take the bulb out. See that? This thing is working intermediately. So that's the old bulb. Now let's get the new one. You're supposed to wear the rubber gloves. So I found a rubber glove because you don't want to get the oil from your fingers on the bulbs. This should just snap into place. Snap. Oops. Little piece of my glove got in there. It's alright. Pulled it out. This video is going to have a lot of wind in it. that just snaps back into place. There's a guide notch here, or peg. Put this back on. And then it should just snap into place. Snapped in. Just like this underneath here. Okay. That's all fixed. Put these 2 screws back in. And then we'll go in the car and see if that light went on the dash went out. And then I'll get my wife to come out here and we'll do a test, make sure the brake lights work. Put my covers back on. It's going to keep the camera running. Well, there goes my tripod. Shut the door this time. Alright. Let's see if that comes on. Nope. Yep, it's off now. Computer probably had to reset. Working?
Yeah.
Both working?
Yeah.
If this video helps you out, please hit the like and subscribe button. Right, Vinny?